going to be spicing up this $8 vase that I snagged from Goodwill. I've been on the hunt lately for a new utensil holder for our kitchen, and when I spotted this gem, I knew I could turn it into a designer look-alike. This is an easy DIY that you can do with probably the stuff you have lying around your house, but for this project, I used spray paint, chalk paint, baking soda, a bristle brush, and some coffee grounds. So then once I had my color, I tossed in some baking soda. Honestly, I just eyeball it, no exact measurements. Just add enough until it feels right. And since this is the first coat, I'm not stressing too much about it. It's really just to cover up that spray paint color, and then for the last coat, I'll add more baking soda to achieve that perfect texture that I'm after. You can see I'm using consistent brush strokes, but I'm not being too fussy with it. If you want your vase to be super textured, I would just keep brushing in different directions. That will help achieve that. Get to the fun part. So what are we doing? Okay, we're using our ground coffee to add some cool effects. I'm crushing it in my hand a little bit and then rubbing it all over the vase. You really have to be patient and keep rubbing until you get the look that you're after. And here's the final look. I absolutely love it, and I just can't believe I scored this for $8 at Goodwill. I have more DIYs coming next week. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.